we're going to create a GoHighLevel workflow to deal with our out of business hour leads. So the use case here is whenever we are doing lead generation on Meta or Google, especially Meta, where you can't really schedule your ads for business hours. In Google, you can do this and it's a good strategy. But even if it's possible on Meta, it's not really a good strategy to schedule your ads for business hours because that messes up Meta's algorithm. Also on social media channels, when you're getting leads consistently, you must deal with your out of business hour leads. Otherwise, they will find another competitor of yours. So in this video, I will show you how you can create a simple workflow to deal with that. For that, we will first go to our automation. And in this example, we will work with Facebook lead forms. So let's say you're running a Facebook lead form ad. So create a workflow, start from scratch, and then our trigger here will be Facebook lead form submitted. So let's just call it new lead follow up plus nurture. So this is the workflow name. Now, when it comes to the trigger, we will click on it and then select Facebook lead form submitted. And here we must select a page name and make sure the page is integrated with your GoHighLevel sub account first. Otherwise, it's not going to work. The reason why I say connect your page and select a specific form is because if you don't do this, your workflow or this workflow will work for any current or future campaign that you're running. You want this workflow to be specific to a campaign, specific to a lead form. So I'm just leaving it blank for now. You know how to do it, right? Just select your page, select your form. Now here, you can add them to your opportunity. You can add the tags, you can get an internal notification and stuff. But what we are trying to deal with is when does the lead come in? We just need to specify that through an if-else condition. So click on this, go with if else, select if else. Now, this is very important. So here under branch, you'll click on this and just type for time of the day. So when you search for time of the day, you'll get this condition. So select this and then say time of the day is after. Now, what time do you consider out of business hours? Let's say for me, it's after 10 p.m. before 8 a.m. So that's my out of business hours. Otherwise, if the call comes in at like 9:15 or 9:45, I will pick up the call. But if it comes after 10 p.m., I'm not going to pick it up. So I'm going to deal with that differently. So I will say the time of the day is after 10 p.m. Add another segment here. Very important. Just make sure it says and. Add segment, time of the day. Again, search for time of the day. Select it and then say is before 8 a.m. So just say 8 a.m. So that's basically my condition. And we will call this branch out of business hours. All right. So what we've done is we are filtering out the leads that are coming after 10 p.m. and before 8 a.m. So if someone becomes a lead at 3 a.m. in the morning, we will handle that differently. Now, what if they come in at any other time of the day? That will go through this none branch. All right. So we will call this business hours. So anything that's not satisfied by this condition will go through the none branch. That's why we're saying that, okay, if the lead comes in at like 5 p.m., it will go through this branch. All right. So we will save this action. Now, the leads that are coming in at out of business hours will go through this branch. So that's why we will basically do this SMS. We will instantly send the SMS to the lead because they just became a lead. They took that action. They must not be sleeping then. So we will send them the message saying, hey, first name, just received your inquiry, thought it's too late. So just leaving a message. Hope that's okay. I will call you in the morning. Let me know what time works for you. We are just writing a as human message as possible, right? We're just saying that, hey, just received your inquiry, thought it's too late. That's why just leaving a message. I'm not calling you right now. It's not okay. I hope that's okay, yeah? So I will call you in the morning. Let me know what time works for you. Very soft, very simple message, asking a question, asking them to reply. That provides commitment, all right? So we are just asking them to reply because I don't want them to think, okay, this guy's not available. I just need to find someone else. I don't want that to happen. And that's it. So this is my out of... Hey there, everyone. Just wanted to take a few seconds from this video to talk about my school community, where if you join, first of all, you get to ask me questions about high level, Google ads, Meta ads, SMMA, anywhere you're stuck in the build, any issues you're facing on anything. You can see there's loads of questions in the community. We interact here all the time. Then you can have access to all my courses in the classroom. I have courses on GoHighLevel automation, AI, courses on Google PPC ads, Meta ads, how to launch your SMMA, how to scale your SMMA, and a bunch of other stuff. Also, there's a template library you can see here a lot of resources on Google Ads, Meta Ads, funnels, GoHighLevel workflows. There are built-in snapshots ready to go. Literally load into your account and then start using them. Loads of GoHighLevel CSS, and I'm adding stuff to it every day. And one of my most favorite things in the community is the calendar section, where we have a couple of events going on every week. First of all, there's the weekly Q&A. Secondly, there's the weekly coaching session where we cover a specific topic every week, and then we do a short Q&A on that topic. So if you want to join the community, there's a link in this video's description, which will take you to the sign up page, and I will see you on the other side. Now let's get back to the video. Our office hours reply. If the lead comes in at any time of the day, we will just make a phone call. Since the lead came in at a business hour, this condition was met, so it came through this right branch. Now we will make a phone call. So we will say lead call or something, but the call timeout will be, I don't know, like 30 seconds. And you can set up an advanced setting. You can say call connect after key press. So basically when this condition satisfies, this action will execute, and then you as the user or the business owner will receive the phone call first, and then you have to press any key to connect. That's what this one means. So when you press any key, the call will then go to the lead, right? So first you will receive the call, you'll press any key. That means that this call is now going to the contact, and then you will basically deal with that call. This is the business hour. So when you're sleeping, when you're not online, since it's out of business hours, the message will go out, and then what we will do is we will add a new action called task, right? So we will add a task saying that follow up or call. Here we will say contact full name. So we are basically saying call. If Jamie became a lead, call Jamie. If Mark became a lead, call Mark, something like that. This is an out of business hour lead, call ASAP. So must be an emergency or something, right? So just do this, sign to the user or the salesperson or the business owner, whoever is dealing with these calls. Due date will be 1, so you don't have to specify a time, but that's it. So add a task, send the SMS, and the task will be showing up in the Lead Connector app and on the dashboard of the business owner or the salesperson, whoever is dealing with the calls. So that's how we deal with out of business hour leads. Just publish and hit save, just so this workflow is activated and starts working for your Facebook ads leads. So if you are trying to implement this for any other channel like social media, Facebook ads or something, or Instagram, you can quickly do that. Just add the trigger saying that customer replied, and reply channel will be here. It will be Facebook Messenger if it's Facebook, so customer message Facebook, and if it's Instagram, it will be Instagram. But just so you know, if you're using Facebook Messenger or Instagram as a trigger, the call trigger won't work because the message came in from a Facebook profile. And when that happens, GoHighLevel does not have their email address or phone number, so this won't be there. But for Facebook lead form, you're capturing their phone number, hopefully. That's why this call will work for that. So with that said, this is how we deal with out of business hour leads through GoHighLevel workflows. Hope this was useful. Let me know in the comments what would you like me to cover next, and I'll see you in the next one.